Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to downgrade iOS without losing any data from 27.04 beta to 26 or 18.5 without losing any data. So firstly we will check it out guys by tapping on the setting on your iPhones to go for especially general, and we will check it out that your iPhone is recommending to a downgrade iOS or not. If it is not, then we will browse alternative option guys here. So tap on a software update and we can see the clearly here it's essential that up to date. We don't have any opportunity to a downgrade. So if we don't have any opportunity to downgrade, then how can I? Yes, in this situation, if it is a sync that up to date, then we will go for an administration. That's a 3U tool. On 3U tool, we will click on this especially a smart flash to go for a firmware option. And when we tap on a firmware options, then we'll go for here and check it out on a especially at the corner. We will refresh and we will check it out at the corner. What's the iOS on a green dot is given here. So this is especially green dot is given 26.5. So easily without losing any data, we can here download directly and we can go for further steps. But in a case unsigned version, if you would like to go for that, before doing this, firstly, let's learn this, and then we will tell you that unsigned version, how do you do that. So these all are signed version guys here. By clicking on this, you can directly go with signed versions. Download it and we will tap on a smart to especially easy flash to here. We will select this one or directly we can also here download. We can download it and then we will go for here. Directly suppose this one's on a 26.6 iOS, we would like to, or we would like to go with this to 26.5. So directly we will go for downloads. If we click on it here guys, then we will go for got it and click on it. So now we can see the clearly it has started to a download, and after completing download, what we will do guys here, yes, we will go on especially right now I'm not going with because we will go with the unsigned version. So just we will here cut it from here, just let it stops and cut it this, and suppose after that downloading, suppose here we are not going to lose any data, so retain user data we will select and we will go with this one and we will go for here this one. So the from say especially I'm the 27.02 especially 4 beta to especially 26.52 beta version, that would be especially downgraded if we click on here. But unsigned version, if we see, then how do I, first and foremost we will have to come to toolbox to we will yes block this update option. So this has been the cam on here. Now that we can clearly see here, we will click on here and then will come the smart flash and directly we will go with especially on a firmware, and the firmware too, of course we will go on a 18.5. so where it is, just we will scroll up and 18.5, so this one, and we will start to a download. So now that we can see the clearly it has started to a download, and after downloading guys, so suppose it has been the downloaded. So if it is downloading sentence right now, let it download complete. On the other hand, of course, let's learn by another IPSW that I have kept with the demo. Directly we will come on a especially retain user data, we will select and we will come on a local firmware without verification here. Yes, we will go for this let me, and here is a firmware that I kept guys in this one now, so that we can see it clearly without especially I'm saying this one 16.7, and yes we will select this one and we will go for this now. So now see this one especially from 27.02 especially yes 16.7.8 inch. Now just we will start to a download, sorry, go for the flash it, and if we flash, then so this would be especially from 27.0 to especially 16.7 points, and this will be a downgrade without losing the data, but keep it selected, retain user data. So right now guys, I'm not going to do with the especially firmware that is 16.5, so we will come with the space alignment 18.5. So this is almost downloaded. Let it complete and then we will go for further. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Further any inquiry, of course, I had a query below the comment box. But while doing these all things, maybe chances to have the error. So close this item and then do it, so guys. And however, further any inquiry, then of course drop the query in the comment box, and the pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.